Swan King gets news. In the court of the Swan King, meanwhile, the crane who was a spy had arrived with the news. "My lord," said the crane to Chakravaka, "Doordarshi, the wise old vulture who is prime minister to the king of Jambudweep, is coming here to discuss an offer of peace." King Silverplume wondered whether there could be any hidden reason, perhaps, for the visit. But Chakravaka laughed at his fears. "Sir, Doordarshi is very noble and far-sighted, like his name implies," advised Chakravaka. "A child who has burnt his lips with hot milk will blow even into whey before drinking it. But Doordarshi knows when somebody is to be suspected and when he is to be trusted. Tell me more about this," requested King Silverplume. Chakravaka's wisdom. The king and Chakravaka talked for a long time as they discussed the merits of trusting people or distrusting them. "Noble-minded people," said the wise minister, "know when and whom to trust. But those who are not sensible swing from one extreme to another. Sometimes they will trust people completely and be fooled by their behavior. At other times, they will suspect everybody and everything, even when there is no reasonable cause. I'll give an example," he went on. "Sometimes a swan sees the reflection of a star in the lake and tries to eat it, thinking it is a white lotus, but he gets nothing. Then in the morning he sees a real lotus, but imagines it is the reflection he saw last night, so he does not even go near it. So what do we do now, my wise friend?" asked the king. "Prepare for his arrival, sir, with gifts and jewels," said Chakravaka. Peace talks begin. Doordarshi came to the court of Karpuradvipa and was welcomed warmly by the king and by Chakravaka. They began to discuss the purpose of his visit. Doordarshi said that different people had to be attracted in different ways. For instance, a greedy man would only be attracted by wealth, but only the truth attracts a wise person. "Therefore I will come straight to the truth," said Doordarshi. "I have come to make peace with you on behalf of King Jewelplume of Jambudweep." "When you say you will make peace, what exactly do you mean?" asked King Silverplume. "There are various kinds of treaties for peace, my lord," explained Doordarshi. "There are treaties between equals, treaties by marriage alliances, treaties for achieving a future objective, for helping each other mutually, for saving one's life, and for many other reasons." Treaty based on truth. The noble Swan King spoke to Doordarshi politely and asked him what kind of peace he would like to suggest. "I am old, my lord," said the vulture. "I know that the body and everything in the world will die. So the most important thing is to be friends with noble and good people. And how do we make out the noble and good people, my wise friend?" asked the king. "They are truthful, my lord," replied Doordarshi. "It is best if a peace treaty is made between friends on the basis of truth. Our friendship should be based on truth." King Silverplume was so pleased that he agreed, and many rich gifts were given to Doordarshi as a token of goodwill. He returned to King Jewelplume accompanied by Chakravaka, the wise minister of King Silverplume of Karpuradvipa.
Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.